Good morning, everyone. My name is Gabby. I am the English teacher at Marina Valley for the SGI classes. So, Unit 4, you've already done the performance tasks, you've already done Units 1 through 3. Next is the alternative assessment or the review. So, let's look at that together. If you've done the rest of these, pretty familiar format. Vocabularies first, definition, synonym, sentence, appendage, beguile, brazenness, dusky, elusive, interminable, lulled, monoplane, prodigious, intermediate. Next is grammar. You want to provide your own example of the following. So it's just one. It's a dangling modifier. Just have to provide an example of what that looks like. So a modifier is something that is kind of just modifying something else, and dangling means that it's not near what it's actually modifying. So it's really confusing. Number 3, explain. So give me like a definition kind of, and provide examples for the following concepts. So internal versus external conflict, diction, irony and verbal and dramatic irony, cultural identity, and how it functions in poetry. The last section is the writing section, and those are 5 points each. Read the following excerpts from the notorious jumping frog of the Calvaris County. Write in your own words what you think it means. So read it and then try to give me what it means in your own words. So it says, to look at him you'd think he'd warrant worth a cent, but to set around and look ornery and lay for a chance to steal something. But as soon as money was up on him, he was a different dog. His underjaw began to stick out like the forecastle of a steamboat, and his teeth would uncover and shine like furnaces. So you have to write that in your own words. Take it like sentence by sentence, word by word, and try to figure it out. If you don't know a word, best thing to do, look it up. Number 17, give an example of a book, movie, or TV show that uses irony. What type of irony is used? What does it add to the story? In your opinion, is irony an effective technique? I'm going to put up a PowerPoint on irony to kind of help you with that one. And then the last one, who were some of Harlem's famous writers, artists, and musicians? Why were the attitudes and opinions of whites so dramatically changed, allowing a new level of acceptance of African American artistic contribution? So just take a second and answer that one. Remember, the Harlem Renaissance is what you want to focus on for that one. If you need any other help, let me know, and I can help.